Hello friend, good morning. Standard 8 computer. Okay. In our last lecture we have seen the list, okay, order list, unordered list, and list chapter, okay, list and tables in a HTML. In this chapter we have already done creating list, okay, order list, unordered list and its attributes. Now we are going to our next topic, okay, Merque tag. What is a Merque tag? Okay, so Merque tag means basically how it will react, okay, in HTML Merque tag. What is the work of Merque tag? Okay, so suppose when you move the text in your web pages, okay, suppose from the direction left to right, right to left, if you want to move your text, okay, at that time you can use the Merque tag. Which tag? Merque tag, for the moving the text from one place to from one side to another side. That is called Merque tag. Okay, so we will see the example of Merque tag, okay, in a HTML by using this programming. Okay, so I am writing here HTML code for Merque tag. Okay, so you will see, you will get the idea. See how Merque tag will be performed. Okay, this is the HTML code I am writing here. Okay, so write this way: head, okay, and inside the head write down the title. Okay, so you will get the title. Okay, so Merque tag example. Okay, this is our title. Now this is the body part. This is the body part. Okay, so inside the body part write the Merque tag. Okay, Merque and Control C, Control N tag, whichever you are starting tag. Okay, you take that starting tag must end with the end tag. Okay, so this is our Merque tag example, right? So you will see now save this Merque example से save करते हैं और .html. Okay, now save in a particular location. Okay, desktop, save. Okay, now we will see the example of output of this. Okay, what is the happening? Yes. So you will see here, this is the our Merque tag, like this. The Merque tag will perform like this way. Understand? So you will see the from the right side to movement of the left side. This is the Merque tag. You can move the text like this way. Okay. So this is the example of a Merque tag. Now we have some attribute for the Merque tag. Suppose width, height, direction. Okay. Behavior, scroll delay, scroll amount, loop, busy color, horizontal space and vertical space. These all are the Merque tag example. Okay. Now we will see the any attribute. Okay, like here we will take the any attribute like busy color equals to red. So we'll again run this program. See, you will see the red color of this. See, you will get the this here. Okay, so this is the example of a Merque tag. Now you can change the color from green. Okay, save and again refresh. You can refresh from here this reload page, and shortcut key is F5 for F5. Okay, so you can refresh this page, our web page. Okay, so this is the screen. Now the direction, suppose this direction is from where, from the right side to left side, from the right side to left side, but we want the from the left side to right side. Then here we write the direction. Here dire, direction equals to, here what is the direction? Suppose right. See, we are writing the direction is the right. Right means from left to right, and right means from the right to right means left to right, and left means right to left. Okay, which direction you want to go? Right direction. Okay, so we will write from the text will move from the left to right direction. Okay, save and again run. So you will see here you will get the text from left to right, because our direction was in right. Okay, so and here we will write left. So what will happen? We will see, and this is the, see, you will get the direction from the left side. Okay, from the right side to left side. Okay, so this is the some attributes of a Merkur text. Okay, there are again some attributes. Okay, now suppose we will see the width and height. Right, here we are writing the width. Width equals to 10%. Okay, and save. See, you will see the width of this, only this kind. Now here we are taking 10. So suppose we are increasing the 10 to 40%. So you will see the difference. See, the length will big. Okay, you will get the width of this. And now we are using height. Okay, height equals to 40%. So what is the difference between this? See, you will see the height of this. Okay, so this is the some basic attributes. Okay, direction, behavior, all these things are the attributes of the example. Okay, so this was the example of a Merkur tag. Okay, so in this topic, this is the our Merkur tag. Okay, so we will see the next topic in the next part.